I'm back on the roof today, and I've just connected a 3 kilowatt configuration. I've got 4 kilowatts of panels up here, and just connecting them in different configurations. So in today's configuration, I basically have every 3 panels is in series, and then groups of 3 are then put in parallel. So since these panels are going to put around 10 amps of current each, I would expect 10 amps to be coming from each of the 3 sets of 3 to give me a total of 30 amps at about 119, 120 volts coming through this 30 gauge wire. You want to use a 30 gauge wire for something like that. I'm sorry, a 10 gauge wire capable of holding 30 amps of current. And I'm running that down here. And basically, I'm testing out a new battery configuration today. So I'm testing out a new set of two 24 volt 100 amp hour batteries, and I'm going to connect them in series and get a 48 volt system, and then I'm going to use a 60 amp charge controller for that. And these are the batteries. And when you first get your batteries, these are lithium iron phosphate. The first thing you want to do is charge them up to where they're at full voltage and they're balanced properly. And then you can go ahead and connect them. The other thing you'll need is some type of load to pull the power off of them so that you can see what's actually going on with regards to the amount of energy that you're pulling off your solar array. If you're not pulling the energy off your batteries, then your charge controller won't pull any current off your solar panels, and you really won't be able to see that you've configured things correctly. One of the things that I'm also testing here today is a different battery balancing system. So I've got a 4 battery configuration using 4 12 volt batteries using an equalizer across those 4 batteries, and then I have this 2 battery configuration with 2 24 volts. So we'll see how things go, see how the balancers work across multiple charge and discharge cycles.